If you want to use your smartphone in desktop mode, then just keep watching this video till the end. First of all, no matter which browser you are using right now, just open it. Here I'm using Google Chrome browser, so just open it. Now after opening your browser, whatever you want to search for, just search it. For example, I'm searching here, Google Trends. Now you can see that the page is loaded in smartphone mode. But if you want to see this page on desktop mode, just go to the top right corner. Just click on this three-dot icon. Now scroll down a little bit, and now here is the desktop side. This box will be unchecked on your browser, so first of all you have to check this box like this. Now see the page is loaded in desktop mode, okay? And if you want, you can zoom the page a little bit like this. You can zoom in and zoom out the page like this. See how this is how you can use your smartphone in desktop mode. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch some more of this kind of informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another informative video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.